There you have the closing bell at the New York Stock Exchange on this Wednesday, April 1st. U.S. stocks finished moderately lower, but off their lows as investors wait mixed economic data. All the major benchmarks did start April in the red. Oil prices gained better than 5% as production declined. Crude futures settled above $50 a barrel. And joining me now is today's closing bell ringer at the NYSE, Glenn Williams. Congratulations on being the incoming CEO.
Thank you very much. I'm glad to be here, and I'm proud to be leading such a great company.
And the title is new for you, but the company is definitely not. You're a veteran of 34 years. You must have seen a lot happen in your company, including the spinoff from Citi. What are your plans to grow value for your shareholders moving forward?
Well, we do have a great legacy as a 38-year-old company, but also as a company that's 5 years new, just 5 years since our IPO. We've had tremendous returns during that time, very proud of our market performance. We're even prouder of our marketplace performance and our ability to do business in the middle market with the members of Main Street across the U.S. and Canada, and we believe that market is huge. The opportunity there for our growth is bigger going forward than it's been in the past. Just since we've been public, the middle market has added 2 million households in the U.S. and Canada, so it's growing more rapidly than we are. And so we believe we can have a tremendous future of growth because of the size of that marketplace.
And as you mentioned, middle market is key for your company. And when we see Americans save the extra cash they have from lower oil prices rather than spend it, there's a shift happening in this country. Can you tell me what you're seeing on Main Street, U.S.A.?
I'd love to. We do see that additional disposable income is beginning to appear due to falling gas prices. We see confidence increasing, and that does mean people are more optimistic and looking forward to making plans for the future. And that works well in our business, because when we sit down with clients on Main Street, we're generally sitting down with them in their homes, talking with them personally about their finances, and we're seeing more of a willingness to take advantage of those opportunities, to look further into the future toward retirement, to cover their need for income protection. And so we see all of those as positive trends in our marketplace.
So when you see headlines that the middle class is getting squeezed in this country, that the American dream does not exist for education for some middle class Americans, do you disagree with that?
Well, I do. I do see that squeezing is going on. There are pressures in the middle market, but we do believe there are answers to that. And we believe that our job, our purpose as a company, is to create financially independent families. And we believe that every member of the middle market that takes that seriously and does the right things can achieve financial independence, they can retire in dignity, they can send their children to college. We believe all that's possible, but it does take some planning and it takes some effort.
And lastly, it is April Fool's. What is the most foolish financial product you think is out there?
Oh, well, I tell you, for many years, there's a lot of choices there, but, I'd have to say, coming from our legacy, anyone that buys whole life cash value insurance is taking a real risk by doing the wrong thing with their money. So I think that's your April Fool's joke.
Glenn Williams, you are the new CEO of Primerica. Congratulations.
Thank
and for
you
The
very much.
Street, I'm Susanna Lee at the New York Stock Exchange.